Do you want a green lawn this winter? We're offering up to 500 square feet of turf to be scalped and planted for $95. That's $50 savings on scalping for winter lawn. We've already started scalping yards this season, and we're gonna have to get the seed down before the 15th of October, so you need to get a hold of us before then. Now this offer is for new clients only that want to hire us for regular maintenance, and we're gonna do a $50 off offer if you hire us and get the season off right with a green lawn. My name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. Please contact us at 602-944-0421 or go to our website at azlawns.com and just mention this offer and we'll get you the savings. We can actually bid this for you right over the phone or via email. Once again, my name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook at AMS Landscaping or Twitter and Instagram at AZ Lawns. Make it a great day.